Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making a Sarawak tomato mee, and I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Remember to comment down below if you feel it. Okay, on to the video. Sarawak tomato mee. Here are the ingredients: kolo mee, garlic, tomato sauce, fish fillet, and meat, and prawn, and also the vegetables and potato starch. Now first we cook the meat. Here, this is the fish fillet. No. This is the prawn. This is the hero of the day, the kolo mee. Okay, so now we pour oil in a cooking pan. And then we cook the meat. So we place our hand over there to feel the heat. And then now it's ready to put the tomato meat inside. Wow, look at the sound. Wow, it's doing it. I have a question of the day for you. The answer will be at the back. Now, what is your favorite meat in the whole wide world? Okay, so now we need to cook it properly. You can answer it, but I'll tell you ours later in the end. Okay, so now we put it in a shaker. We take it out and put it in a shredder to take all the water out. But now we have to fry the fillet. Oh, the fillet takes time to fry because there are a lot of them. A lot of them. Oh, that looks delicious to eat already. Now we need to cook it again and make sure it's peachy brown. Oh, I'm so excited to eat this. Okay, so we got the plate of fillets ready already. So now we need to put the garlic in. And then we mix the garlic together. Okay, mix more. Mix it. Now we add in the meat. Then we cook it again. Ooh, I wonder how this tomato mee will taste it. But first we need to mix it. At the end, we'll tell you how it tastes. Oh, the meat takes a long time to cook, by the way. Okay, so now we have to pour the water in. And the heated water. Now, the major hero of the day, the tomato sauce. Comment down below if you know why we put tomato sauce in soup to make tomato mee soup. Wow, this looks delicious soup. Now we add in the soy sauce, and I think that made the tomato mee a little darker. Now we add in the fish sauce. Ooh, you can subscribe anytime if you want if you like this video. Ooh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the latest videos. But now, we need to add pepper. Sorry, not eat pepper. Add pepper. Now we need to mix it. So after that we need to test out the soup a little bit if you want, but if you don't want, then don't do it. Okay, now we add in some sugar. Okay, now we add the vegetables. Wait a second, this is tomato meat, so that means it is too vegetarian. Don't mind me like that, okay? Okay, now we need to cook it, mix it, boil it. Now we add in the potato starch. Then we mix it. After we add in the potato starch, wonder how it tastes like. It looks so delicious now. Don't forget to mix it all, okay? Mix it all carefully, okay? Whoa, mix it. Is there anything that I missed out, guys? Tell me if I have. Okay. So, whoa, this soup looks so ready to be served, man. Whoa, this looks so delicious. Wow. Ooh, I can't wait to taste what it looks like. Oh, wait a second, I missed something. I have to add some salt in the soup, okay? So don't forget that, okay? Okay, so now it is looking ready to serve. Ooh, you will see me and my sister eating at the end of the video. Okay, ready to serve. How delicious does it look like? Delicious, right? Ooh, looks like one of the prawns fell down. Whoa, but this looks too delicious. If you like it, then check it out. Okay, so if you liked it, go and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye!